How to add effects in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Start by importing your footage to the timeline, then come up to the Effects tab. If you don't see this, come up to Window and then come down to Effects. This will open up to here. There are a few folders that we can see here. The one we're interested in is Video Effects. If you click this little drop down arrow, it will open up all the effects that you can add to your video. You can also search for effects at the top here. Say if we want black and white, we can search for it here and it will appear here. Now to add this effect to our video clip, you just have to simply drag and drop this on top of the video. And as we can see there, the changes have taken effect immediately. If you want to remove an effect, you can just simply press Command or Control Z on your keyboard to undo that action. If you want to browse through all the other effects, you can click the X to cancel out that search, click this drop down arrow again, and then come through these effects and experiment or find the specific effect that you want. All you have to do is click into the little folders and it will show the effects. Say for example, if I wanted to add a blur to this clip, just simply click and drag and we can see the effect take place here. Most effects in this list you can customize further in effect controls. So if we come into effect controls for this specific effect, we can see we have some settings here for this blur effect that we can change for this video. So for example, if I wanted this blur to be more intense, I can increase the blur amount, and as we can see there, it's making the video more blurry. This is the same for all of the other effects that you can come across in the effects panel here, and that's all there is to it.